Guys, I need subscribers. I need to get to 30,000 subscribers. This is a major issue. I thought getting 1 and 2 subscribers were a thing. Now guys, you need to advise me on what content I need to make to get to 30,000 subscribers. Please guys, you need to advise me. We'll work hand in hand. I do it, I fail, you subscribe. I don't fail, you still subscribe and you comment. Come on guys, hit me up with those subscriptions. That's all I'm asking you to donate, guys. Come on guys. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. There's nothing to do. That's why I say, guys, advise me on what content I need to make for it to be worthy of 30,000 subscribers to the low mouth.